How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about Kegel exercises for men, step-by-step guide. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel. Before I get started, I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So to find your Kegel muscles, the easiest way to do it is to stop peeing midstream. The muscles that contract when you stop peeing are the Kegel muscles. When performing the Kegel exercises, it's also important that your butt, your thighs, and your abdomen are all relaxed, or as relaxed as you can be. The best way we're going to do this is by being relaxed and laying on the floor. You can perform Kegel exercises standing up, but this is going to be much harder because your abs will be flexed. So same with all those other muscle groups as well. So I don't recommend doing Kegel exercises standing up for beginners, only for intermediates or advanced people who have mastered the laying down Kegel exercises. So let's get started with the best Kegel exercises, you guys. So there's going to be two Kegel exercises. The first one is going to be the bridge. The bridge is probably the best exercise that you can do for your Kegels. Now, what you want to do for doing a bridge exercise, you want to lay on the floor. Now, what we're going to do when laying on the floor, it's very important that you keep your shoulders pinned to the ground. So once your shoulders are pinned to the ground, raise your hips. And then all you're going to do is you're going to hold this position for as long as possible, you guys. So again, this exercise is fantastic. Absolutely amazing for finding those Kegel muscles, for really, really hitting them hard, you guys. So I get a lot of questions from people asking to find your Kegel muscles. Again, to find the Kegel muscle, to find your pelvic floor muscles, all you have to do, you guys, is make sure that you stop peeing midstream. You're going to feel that muscle work. Then, once you've done that, do these exercises and try to recreate that pressure that you once had when you stopped peeing. That's how you find your pelvic floor muscles. That's how you do these Kegel exercises, you guys. Very important to do. So that's the first exercise that we will be doing. The second exercise that we will be performing is going to be a side leg lift. Now, to do a side leg lift, it's going to be similar to a plank, but when you're doing a plank, you have to raise your hips off the ground. When you're doing the side leg lift, I want you guys to keep your hips relaxed. So everything's going to be relaxed. Now, all we're going to do is raise our leg like so. That's all we're doing. It's a single leg lift. And again, when doing this exercise, try to feel it in the pelvic floor region. This is the best, one of the best Kegel exercises that you can do. Again, all we're doing is we're raising our leg like so. And that's it. That's all we're doing, you guys. So that's the second best exercise that you can do. Again, in my opinion, the bridge is going to be the best, and then the side leg lift is going to be the second best. To really find the best Kegel exercises, those are it. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.